Hello, everyone. Once again, welcome in our self transformation series, day 4. Yes, my dear friends, I welcome you all on 23rd of June 2020 in the self transformation series. What is this series? When it started, you can see through our previous channels, through our previous programs, where it has been mentioned the purpose very clearly. The purpose of this series is to imbibe one thought, is to intake one thought and to just put it once in your mind, imbibe once in your mind while you are listening, and then just leave that thought. It's so simple. It's really simple to change yourself, and that's why the name of the series is Self Transformation Series. So, those who have joined now, you can connect 2 or 3 days back series, and you will come to know the entire picture of this self transformation series. And the best thing in this series is that it's not a long series. The duration, the time limit is from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. In between that only, we design and frame something for ourselves and just keep that in mind. I think, my dear friends, we can at least take out this minute and we can actually work on it. So, today in our series, we are going to learn something really, really different and altogether I promise that you have never ever heard it before. Yes, it's my promise that you have never ever practiced this thing before. The topic which I am sharing with you is donate a new life. Yes, today the thought which you are going to take in your mind is donate a new life. What is this donate a new life? And how is it related to me as a self transformation? So let's clear all these doubts. Dear friends, donate a new life here means when you make the other person happy, when you help the other person, when you listen the words of the other person, when you are there as a support or as a pillar for the other person. If you can see this in more and more detail, you will come to know how you donate a life to the person. Dear friends, when we were really, really small, very, very small, you can say, at that moment, we were not aware that how I'm going to walk, how I'm going to get food, how I'm going to get water. Anything about that thing was nothing in our mind when we were really, really small in the lap of our parents. At that time, who has donated the life in us? Parents. When we grew, at that time, if we help our teachers, if we help our friends, we were at that time also donating a new life to others. At times, one of our friends are not responding properly in the class or they were not good in studies. If you have supported them, you have given the life to that person. So, in this way, we are always from the day one donating a new life. Donating a new life here, it means that making the difference in someone's life and how we can make the difference. Friends, if we are complete, then only we can make the difference in others' life. If you have ample of money, then only you will donate. If you have ample of food, then only you can give to others. So here, the concept here is the first of all, I have to check myself as I have to take the exam for myself. That, okay, how I am. Ask yourself, are you contented? Are you here or filled with everything? So, what are the three basic things with which the person can easily donate life in others? So, here we are sharing those three criterias which you have to imbibe in your life today, in your mind today. Focus whenever it comes, time to time, as your mind clicks, and then just think for a second and move ahead. This is self transformation. The three things which I'm talking about is which are your birthright. Yes, these three things are the birthright of each and every person, but we don't explore it, we don't take it for granted. So these three things are ever healthy, ever happy, and ever wealthy. Yes, my dear friends, these are the three treasures which has been given by God Almighty, the Supreme, to each one of us, but as if we have forgotten them. So let's explore this, that what are these and how to move about. See, friends, if you are filled with happiness, then only you can donate the life to others. If you are not satisfied or contented, if you are not complete in yourself, how can you love others? So, first thing is that you should be happy. The second thing here is healthy. If we are healthy, then only we can give or donate the life to others. If I am facing the pain, physical, mental, whatever way I am experiencing the pain, how can a painful person give life or donate life to others? How can a painful person can make a difference in someone's life? The third thing is ever wealthy. Here, wealth doesn't mean that only monetary wise, the ones who are millionaire. I'm not talking about those. Wealth means whatever you have, you are contributing your bit from that. If you are earning 50,000 rupees and you are contributing 100 rupees out of that, that means a lot. So, as per the wealth, are we complete? Because this wealth, there is no limit of this wealth. We don't have any parameters to judge that who is very, very wealthy. So, the basic thing, the criteria which we have to keep in mind is that God has gifted me the true wealth. The true wealth is with me, the true wealth of my body, the true wealth of my family, true wealth of my friends, the true wealth of this beautiful five element environment, the true wealth of my job, my all the leisures which I'm enjoying, the true wealth of my true qualities, the true wealth of whatever I think He helps me out. So, in this way, the true wealth is the true support of everyone to me. So, this is the pure, pure, pure wealth which we all have since we are born. So, today in this series, the things which you have to imbibe in your mind is really, really simple. Yes, my dear friends, you have to imbibe these things in your mind. Number one, I will be donating a life to others. Means you will be making yourself first complete in three perspectives. That is in terms of health, that is in terms of wealth, and that is in terms of happiness. And this is not that you think that it's not within me how I will attain it. It's already within you. You just have to again and again brush up as if there is a dirt on the mirror and we are just cleaning, cleaning, and cleaning. Then only we can see the clear image. Same way, all these three things are being given as a true treasure by Almighty, and we just have to take it and imbibe in ourselves. So, my dear friends, today make the difference in someone's life. Donate a new life to others. Before that, complete yourself. Achieve all the three aims, main attainment in our life, so that we can make hope in the ones who are seated on the pyre of hopelessness. We can see that zeal and enthusiasm in others. We were the one who are there to just enlighten the lights of others. And same way, what you will be getting, you will be receiving happiness, you will be receiving your fortune, and there will be a cheerful face throughout the day. So, my dear friends, check today whether I am happy, whether I am wealthy, whether I am healthy. And these three things can be just simple one word, that is happiness. If your face is cheerful throughout the day, it means you have these three treasures. So fill your day with these three treasures and spread it to others. See you tomorrow in the next series wherein we will be imbibing a new thought. Till then, just that yes, I'm here to make the difference in someone's life by just filling myself with ever healthy, ever wealthy, and ever happy thoughts.